Why is it so important to know and understand the laws of nature? Someone who does not know and understand the laws of nature is very likely to fail ill and live in fear and under the control of outside influences. Someone who understands the laws of nature can independently change their life from sick to healthy, physically, mentally, or spiritually. Do you know a greater gift? A greater gift is only life itself. I think to understand the laws of nature is the foundation to understand life. With the InYology book, you get a key to understand the laws of nature, also called divine law or the order in the universe.